Freedom.
Oh my god, get down here, I can't walk back inside.
A few days after the accident, after I hit my wrist, I realized that I had a bruise on the back of my arm there that just came out after a few days, didn't come out right away, and some weird bruise on here too. This is where I hurt my shoulder in the back. So thankfully nothing happened there, just hurts a bit, it's a bit sore. That's pretty much it. On the back of the arm, weird bruise. Yeah, this is about day 3 after having the surgery done. Arm is feeling a lot better. On Wednesday I go back and I get the splint removed. Alright, and I have not removed this at all, so I'm like, this is my first time seeing what it actually looks like.
Yeah, that's always kind of interesting. There you go.
Oh my god. Oh boy.
There we go.
Oh, that feels very, very stiff.
Uh-huh.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it'll feel stiff for a little bit. It's not been moving.
It's a little stiff, of course, because my arm has been wrapped up, and I imagine because of what they put in there as well. Haven't moved in almost a week. So it feels pretty stiff, but other than that, I really hope it starts to heal up okay. That way I can get back to work. So the doctor's gonna come in a few minutes and I guess tell me what's gonna happen after this. Trying to make a fist, but my hand itself still feels kind of tight. Oh, can't even make a fist yet. That's about as far as it'll go right now. So right now I'm trying to touch my thumb to the rest of my fingers, but I am not succeeding. And that's as far as I can get right now. And that's the closest I can get it to my pinky and this finger. I can move the fingers just fine. But yeah, it's as close as it'll get right now. I have a lot of work ahead of me.
There whenever I used to hear that too.
All right.
Yeah. And yeah, you could hear it sometimes. Other times you don't hear it, but you could actually even see it. You know.
Oh my
moving
god.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay. So you just lay them off flat.
Yeah.
And
It
these
just
are
gives it that extra support to stay close.
okay. I gotcha. Yes. So,
Yeah, just a real small one, just to cover.
Cool.
For now, especially since you're here in the hospital. You know.
Thank you. Freedom.
Oh my god, get down here.